Welcome to 5570 Mission, Apartment 1. This is a one-bedroom apartment in the outer Mission, available for lease. It's rent control, and it includes a pretty big storage locker. There's on-site coin laundry. We're in the living room. It's got this really nice parquet floor that's just been refurbished. There's a double-pane window looking out onto Mission. And just right there is the bus stop, so it's pretty convenient. The living room opens to the kitchen. It has a tile floor, fridge, range, dishwasher, granite counter, really a whole lot of cabinets, microwave, and you have a little nook for eating there. Here's the living room from this angle. Another window in the kitchen. And then a small entry area. It's a wall furnace heater. And the bath has dual closets. You have a linen closet, and on the other side, a coat closet. And the bath has a tile floor, cute little vanity, shower over tub. Then back through that little entry, we go to the large bedroom that has a full closet. And the closet goes way back, so it's maybe like 12 feet of closet. And then another double pane window here in the bedroom. If you're interested in leasing 5570 Mission number 1, visit billharkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Have a great day. Bye.